12. What determines the length of each period in the periodic table? Now, this is a tricky one. There's not necessarily going to be a question exactly like this in the periodic table. It's a little bit tricky in terms of understanding what's being asked by the question, but the answer is actually not that complicated. So, what determines the length of each period? Okay, so we're going to horizontal rows here, periods. What determines the length of each period in the periodic table? It's determined by the total number of electrons that can fit in the outermost sublevels of the element of that period. That's it. How many electrons can fit into those outer shells? If more electrons can fit, right, if they have enough space, they have enough room without being repelled by the like-charged electrons around them, if they have more room, they'll fit in there. And if they don't have enough room, they won't fit in there, and you'll have to start a new shell, and then that would correspond to a new printable quantum number, or at the very least, a new sublevel in the periodic table.